Okay, here is a brand new Payne central air conditioning unit. This unit replaced a early 2010s Ruud or late 2010s Ruud that I never got on video. But this is located at the chiropractor complex, but I've never filmed this unit before, or the old Ruud. The old Ruud actually had a broken blade. If any of my HVAC viewers saw my community post that I made of it, it would appear that that unit has gotten replaced with this unit. This unit has a couple and scroll compressor. And believe it or not, this is actually the first carrier-like unit that I've ever seen with swept blades. I've never seen a carrier unit with swept blades before in person. So this is really nice to see. That is a 5-ton from 2023. And that is a 14 SEER, I think. Has a broad ocean motor. Pretty nice unit here. But yeah, just like a quick video of this brand new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.